think the first strong theme that was coming out was that horticulture improves health and well-being is an argument that we've won. A lot of funding has been directed towards that in the last decade, and it's made a difference. The fact that we're now getting more involved in recognising the bridge between environment and employment in our sector, this is coming through as new, and the funding that's come our way in the last 2 years has started to open up eyes to opportunities for the participants involved in what we do. This is great, and we're all really supportive and excited about this, but there was definitely a sense that what we don't want to lose is the health and the well-being value of what we do. We want to focus on the employment opportunities and the way that employment and environment meet in this discourse about green economy. But we don't want to lose the fact that it also changes people's lives in terms of social isolation, it removes that, and just mental well-being. What did come through is our need to be creative about the sector that we're actually creating, particularly those of us that are working in the urban environment in a city like London. So, and by being creative, it is about cross-pollinating between each other as projects in this sector as well. And that definitely came through, this wanting to be creative and wanting to recognise the opportunity that exists and see that through.